Hi, my name is Dr. Mitzi Sheps, and I have a mobile acupuncture practice in Marietta, Georgia. I am here to talk about the products of Yuppie Puppy City Kitty. I have found a couple of gems in this product line, and I wanted to share them with you. So many people have heard that fish oil and omega-3s and krill oil is great for humans, but did you know it's also great for pets? And the reason why, these are called essential fatty acids. And the reason why they're called essential is because your body and your pet's body cannot produce these on our own. We need to supplement. We need to eat it in our diet. So I have found a gem in the YPCK line because they have a product that is both a treat and a krill oil omega-3 supplement for your pet. So you're not feeding your pet empty calories. Anything you feed your pet dilutes the overall nutrition. So you always want to make sure you're feeding something that has a benefit to it. Another reason I like this product is because it comes in a chip that can be easily broken up and used as a positive reward when training. My clients love this product, and so do their animals.